Fresh TV.
My name is Disciple Pati.
And my name's Nari.
And we're going to be performing here at the Milk and Honey Festival 2020.
Here to celebrate International Women's Day.
Exactly.
Period.
So, let's go find out what International Women's Day is all about. Why is International Women's Day important to you guys?
Gender equality. This is a man's world.
Period.
Every day is International Men's Day.
So it's nice to have at least one day per year.
Said no comment.
I feel like we need more than one day. I feel like, yeah.
We need a whole week.
I feel like we need half a year. We need half a year.
No, we need a whole year.
We need 6 months.
We need a whole decade, okay?
We want equality.
Exactly.
So International Women's Day, what it means to me is a day to give a voice to the people who don't have one.
Wow.
Wow.
That's on period.
Interesting.
And that's on period.
Exactly.
Say it to the camera. That's on what?
That's on period.
That's on period. It's been the most empowering experience being a part of this, especially considering that it's my first gig. It's our first gig together. And I'm so happy that I have my little sister here, Nari Upper. She plays the baritone sax. And she's part of my, oh sorry, I'm a little sweaty. And she, damn girl, stop exposing me. I'm not nervous. Are you nervous?
I'm a little bit nervous, but you know what? It's okay.
Well, you know what? I said it once, and I'll say it again. If you come to practice,
I'm gonna go sit down now. I'm gonna go.
So the Milk and Honey Festival is really important to me as an artist because it's a female-led, female-based platform. All of the sound crew that you see here, all of the people doing everything, including the security, and all of the organisers have all been women.
It's about inclusiveness, and it's also to really hammer home that whole thing of, you know, female musician is not a genre.
Yeah.
You know, we've got electronic, we've got rock band, we've got acoustic.
We're here with one half of a Moogie. Introduce yourself to the audience, love.
Hello, my name is Yeri. I'm one half of a Moogie, and I'm just happy to be between these two beautiful women.
She's too kind. She's
Can we
too
keep her?
kind.
Give it back!
Exactly, give it back.
No, it's such a good show because the environment makes it, and the showrunners make it, and the crowd make it. Playing shows like this is what recharges you and you know, helps you find your words again, and so it's really good. It means a lot.
Yeah. Well, Nari, how was your festival experience?
It was, I'm not gonna lie, it was absolutely amazing. It was really good to see so many empowered women out there on the stage. I'm feeling very inspired.
I absolutely killed it.
Okay.
Squashed, done, Uma,
Okay, keep
finished.
it.
Keep it fresh.